Okay, Dr. Yip, what happened today?
They're going up, but now blocked already.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's going to block for how long?
No, they have timing. Like, they stop for like 20 minutes.
Then one side no,
Yeah.
and then for the other side. They're walking up.
Tourist. Mr. Lim, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, beautiful.
I hope you're feeling comfortable in my small car.
It's good.
Very powerful car.
Powerful.
So today we are going to Bhutan, Valley of Guru Rinpoche and Tibetan Pemalimpa. So Dr. Yip and Mr. Lim arrived yesterday. They all the night in Thimphu. Now today we are going towards the central Bhutan, Bhutan. And we're stuck in the roadblock at Hunso. Okay, where are we?
I don't know what temple. What is the temple?
Jampel Hagang.
Jampel Hagang.
Oh, Jampel Hagang is one of the temple built by King Songtsen Gompo during the 8th century.
So he managed to build
In one day,
in one day
he 108 temples.
108 temple.
Yeah.
One here,
One in Paro.
one in Paro.
Oh, rest are in Tibet.
108 temple.
This is people when they call up,
Yeah.
put the number.
Don't touch. Yeah. Count. So this is Bhutan Valley.
Buntang Gali.
Valley. Okay, today we are at Kurjil Hagang, Bhutan Kurjil Hagang, where Guru Rinpoche performed the 8 minutes fastration, and where he subdued.
Manifestation.
Yeah. Come. Today weather is nice.
Better.
Yeah.
Very good.
Having good time?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially when you chanting for us. They are ready. What shoot? Humble. Yeah, humble.
Member so. Member so. Mr. Lim, how do you find this place?
Yeah, very nice. Even the stones, rocks, like many legs, the claw.
Yeah.
See,
Okay. Tough time. Come. Come. As up is more easy. The view is very nice up there. Wow. This is the sheep farm. Okay, go back. Take a picture. Okay, Dr. Ip, how's the day today?
Very good, wonderful day. Visited a few monasteries, and this is the most beautiful one.
Actually, in my mind, I have so many monasteries and temples to visit, but you are not doing well.
No, we do it slowly.
But we don't have time. That's the problem. Bhutan, the Switzerland of Bhutan.
Yes. Last time when David Tong they come, they can go in.
No, they didn't go in.
They didn't go in.
So this is Domkar Palace. After Sistine Karmapa and some of the Kaju Lamas, including Thanguru Muche, they stayed in this palace. And
Careful of the cow dung.
up there you see on the mountain,
Ah,
the monastery complex.
ah.
The Thanguru Muche stayed there also.
Oh,
He spent some few summer retreat also there.
yeah.
But I stay here for how many years?
I think he stayed here for quite some time, I think.
So Lama was signed to Rinpoche.
Yeah. So
Here or there?
he became monk when Rinpoche was staying here.
Oh.
That's what my father told me yesterday.
I heard that the father just put him in the horse or in the cow. Just let him go. He can go by himself.
Good. Because their village is behind the hill.
Oh, no father.
Not far.
But he was very
Yes.
young, about 7 or 8 years old only.
Yeah. So finally you made it to Lama Lotus village.
Yes, I'm very happy.
And this is our community ancestor temple, which is very holy. So our grandpa, Lama Lotus father, used to be a shrine keeper for here for many years. Yeah, ani bewa chinga che aku jamsagi chamkan me ta to thin dam yu me ko khali te chita bi na na tsi.
應該 off 你 mobile data，不要手機哈。
Yeah. On off the.
街角的咖啡店，人来人往不息。我坐在这里回忆过去，却只有我自己。你说的那些话像利刃一样锋利，我努力不去想，可他们总在心头游移。听说的你生活的多么美满，而我的世界却只剩下无尽的黑暗。我听说的你不再需要我的陪伴，幸福的画面在你身边不再有我的片段。我听说的你过得很好，笑容灿烂，我的心却在滴血，任凭回忆把我啃噬的快乐。我听说的你已经忘了吧那段过往，可我却还在原地迷失了方向。朋友劝我放手，说一切都会过去，可怎么过去，我却始终无法言语。每一次听到你的名字，心都会漏跳一拍，仿佛我的世界只围绕着